Hey everyone, it's Alan Chester. Stop wasting your time on random Telegram methods. I'm already making money and I'm rich, and I'm speaking from real experience. Every week it's the same thing. New crypto bot, new signal group, new tap to earn game, new airdrop. People jump in, it looks like it works at first, numbers go up, small wins, then it slows down and dies. We already saw it with Hamster Combat and Notcoin. Big hype, fast growth, no real system behind it. That's the problem. You might win once or get lucky early, but you can't repeat it. No system, no structure, just random results. And random doesn't scale. If you can't repeat it, you can't scale it. If you can't scale it, you always start over. That's why most people stay stuck. New bot every week, new signals, same hype cycle. At the start, it feels like easy money. Tap, earn, invite, but it only works early, then it dies. So when you see the game link in part 3, understand, it's not free money, it's just about if it still works after hype. In this video, I show what I tested, what failed, what I stopped using, and what I actually use now. No hype, no promises, just what works. Let's get into it. Okay, I already opened game, so I will choose here only 10 bombs. Okay, after this completed here, I need to choose 10 bomb here. Okay, here it is. After this, I need to click next step. And now it's loading, guys. Okay, so while we are waiting for this, I forgot to show you how I adjusted some important settings. This settings named a seed helps to synchronize me with this bot. And without seed, this bot not gonna work. So I should double check it to be sure. I click fairness here, copy it, and go further just to paste it. Good. And the same with next one. So I copy it, paste it in the chat. Okay. And the last one here, 154, no problem. Okay, I will write it here. Yeah, now it's loading, guys. I hope it's final loading, and after this we will start. Okay. I need to adjust this things again. Here I click 10, and now completed, okay. And here I will click next step, and now it's loading, okay. So I'm waiting for this. Oh yeah, sure, I forgot to do this thing. I need to open this game again, close it, and click this blue button. Oh my gosh. Aha, this green one. And I will choose something like this, okay. So I will copy this one, okay. Copy. So after this, I will open this app, So let me just open this one, send, and let's paste it here. After this, I need to fill this one. I will set something like this for today. Okay, next, continue, and loading. So now it's processing. Let's just wait for this. So I will open the game again. Oh my god. Okay, I will try to reload it. Okay, nothing for now. Then I will just try to reopen this game. Close it anyway and let's open. Yeah, finally I got it, guys. That's good. Okay, let's continue. So I close this, click continue, and yeah, after this we finally got it, guys. Let's go. Let me just do it. Right now I will fill this one. Okay, something like this for today. And here I will set 10 again. Yes, here it is. Let's go. So boom, boom, and this. Wow, just look at this. 2 more, guys. Okay, I could see it. Boom and boom! Oh my god! This is insane, guys! Wow! It is really amazing, guys. Just look at this. Okay, let's just continue. So I fill this again and let's go. So I click next. Okay, so it's loading. And yeah, here it is. Okay, I'm looking at this and boom, boom and boom. Wow. And now boom and boom. Oh my freaking god. Just look at this. This is unbelievable. It is really amazing, guys. Okay, let's just click this blue button, guys. So now I need to fill this thing. Okay. After this, I go to open this app, close this one, here this button, and let's copy it. Okay, I open this and paste it here. After this, I click this blue button. And yeah, now it's ready. I got message about my request. Let's just wait for this, guys. So I'll try to reload it. Okay, and nothing for now. Guys, it's already been a while, so I got new message about it. So let's check it. Okay, I open this app again. Okay, reload it. And nothing for now, guys. Okay. Oh my god, guys! Did you see that? There is no freaking way. Just look at this. It is really crazy, guys. Okay, I'm really surprised. So guys, now I will show you where I took it. And I appreciate you for watching this video. It was Alan. See you!